Are you looking for perfect design inspiration? This video is for you.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, subscribe to join the design family.
Psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Do you want your friends to be impressed by visiting your place? We have taken the most important aspects of interior design and condensed them into a free cheat sheet for you. Check out the free designer toolkit on our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality. Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
If this video was useful, give it a like. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to grab your free copy of the Designer's Toolkit from our website, designercheatsheet.com.